Hey, it's Up North Guy Mixology again. It's been a while since I've done a cocktail video, so coming back to that, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite winter cocktails. It is the Moscow Mule. I'll show you how to make it, which is super simple, starting right now. Moscow Mule, what's in it? It's going to be 2 ounces of vodka, and it's going to be 4 to 5 ounces of ginger beer, and then a little bit of lime juice, about a ½ ounce squeezed in there. That makes a single drink. Super easy to make. There's no shaking. You just mix the ingredients up. Now, if you're a purist, you would be using Stolichnaya or some kind of Russian vodka and cock and bull ginger beer. I'm not a purist here up north. I kind of a guy that uses what I've got. And what I've got is the Tito's, which is a handmade vodka, has a little bit of flavor to it, excellent tasting, and a little bit of Barrett's ginger beer. And then I just picked up some limes at the local grocery store that we're going to squeeze up here for it. Now the Mule has got a special kind of cup. This is mostly what defines whether it's a Moscow Mule, is the copper mug. So you don't have to do a copper mug for this drink, but mostly everybody does. When you see the copper mug, you know that that is a Moscow Mule. You can use another kind of cocktail glass. I would suggest something that's fun and interesting like this one, but if you had to, but it's best to have the copper mug for this drink. Just gonna cut up a little lime here. This you can just squeeze into the cocktail easily with a squeezer, or if I just want to cut up a little bit of the lime garnish that goes into it, I'm going to do that. Right here you can do like a little square cut like this. Okay, so here we go with the mixing. Super easy drink to make. Just going to put some ice into my copper mug. So it's 2 parts vodka, 2 ounces of vodka. Use my little measuring cup here to do that. And then it's going to be 4 ounces of the ginger beer. This is a 12-ounce can, so I could measure it out, but I'm just going to do about 1/3 of the can. And I like to squeeze a little lime juice. You can pre-squeeze this. Definitely do the fresh squeezed lime juice. There isn't a lot in there, so it doesn't take that much to do it. You can just squeeze a lime directly into the cocktail here. That's going to get some of the lime juice in there. Again, you don't need a lot on it. And garnish is also a piece of lime, which we cut up here. And that is all there is to making the Moscow Mule. All right, so that's it for the Moscow Mule. Very simple cocktail to make and one of my favorite in the winter. A lot of people think of it as a summer cocktail. I first tried this during the winter, so I always associate it with the winter. Maybe it's just because of the copper mug, makes it a little bit more festive, but you can obviously have this drink anytime. Hey, listen, always drink responsibly. Don't overserve your guests. That's not going to help anybody. Enjoy this cocktail and let me know how you like it. Drop a comment in on the video here and let me know if you made it before, you got any other kind of variation on this drink. Check out my channel, Up North Guy, on YouTube. I got more videos about mixology, life and living up here, beautiful northern Michigan.